Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use the MakeHuman to create any of the 3D human avatar and characters and export as a FBX file with a totally full skeleton which you can export to your 3D modeling software or any of the 3D animations and game developing software. So first, in order to get the MakeHuman, it is a totally free software. You can scroll down, go to my video descriptions, and I already give you the download link. You just need to click on the download link and download the installer of the MakeHuman, and then you will install in your computer. And now you will get a shortcut of the MakeHuman, or you can search it here, MakeHuman community. This is a totally free software, and now I'm going to give a demo on how to create the FBX file, how to create and design a human 3D avatar and export it as FBX file for any of your 3D software. Alright, so just wait for a while. Now it is loading. I already start this software and I clear my desktop. Alright, now if this is the first time you start your MakeHuman, so you can design this is zoom in and zoom out. At the beginning, you are going to choose a gender. Here is male and here is female. And next, what you are going to choose is the weight. So now maybe you want to choose an ethnic. Maybe I want to choose the Asian. The proportion. And next, as demo, I will just give a hair, give a dress. Okay, under the modeling, maybe I want it to gain some weight. And next, under the geometry, I will give an eyes. The eyes is already there, and I'm going to give a hair. Next is the teeth. I'm going to give a teeth, the teeth base, and the eyebrow. I will choose one. And eyelashes. I will choose one as well. Next is the material. The tongue, I will give a tongue, of course, because you need it for your 3D animations and the mouth animations. Next is the material. I will choose one of the skin from here. Young Asian female. This is the skin. Alright, now you can see the human models already there. Okay, now still don't have the shoes. I go to the geometry. It's under the geometry cloth. I can choose a shoes here. Alright, now it is complete. Next, what you are going to do is go to the pose. And here, the pose, we are going to choose the T pose. If you want to use it in your Unreal Engine, you can just choose none. The Unreal Engine is an A pose like this. If you are going to use the T pose, you have to choose the T pose from here. And some of the 3D software, we are going to use the T pose. Next is the skeleton. We need the skeleton. The skeleton for your game developing, I encourage you to use the game engine version. But if you want to create a 3D animations, you may just use the default so that it will include all the facial expression bones. You can adjust the facial bones. But most of the time, the game engines, it works okay without the facial expressions. So as demo, I will just use the game engine, so it will exclude the facial expression both. And next, once completed already, I can back to the modeling, and now I can just click here. This is export. Export as FBX file. The FBX file is the film box here, FBX file. So as demo, I will just export on my desktop here. Export. I will choose a file name first. Wait, I click here. I click my desktop. Then this is Asian, female. Save as the FBX file. Save. Then wait for a while. It is exporting. Now you already have an Asian female FBX file. And this file, you can use it in any of your 3D animation or game developing software. This is really a 3D file, FBX file. At the same time, you also can save your MakeHuman project file as backup, so that next time you can come back here to edit it. You still have a lot of the modeling, morph here, really a lot. You have so many variables to adjust. And now I save it. I click save. Sorry, not this. Should be under save. So where to save? I browse. I save on my desktop as demo. This is Asian, female. Save as a MHM. That is a MakeHuman project file. I click save. Now this is the MakeHuman project file. Next, after that, if you close it already, next time if you want to open, you can just click open. Load, and you can load from here. Click desktop. Wait. You can drag in. Next time you open your MakeHuman and drag in, it will load your previous file, the MakeHuman file, MHN file. So now you already successfully exported as FBX file, and it can be used in any other 3D software. Of course, if you open with the 3D viewer, sometimes it cannot load properly. But for iClone, Unreal Engine, Autodesk, Maya, all should be no problem. This is a full skeleton. This is a human 3D model with full skeleton, with fully rigged. You can animate it. You can make it as your game character. All right. So that's all for today about how to use the MakeHuman to create any of the human 3D models and export it as FBX file for any of your 3D modeling, animation, and game developing software. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and at the same time also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.